Hi, my name is Tiffany. I am a factory representative here with Luxe Fifth Wheels. Take a walk with me today. We are going to see the Luxe Elegante. This coach is going to be 3311 in length. We're going to start in the kitchen today, something different. We're going to have all solid surface countertops. They do have chargers in them. We did put a stainless steel sink in this coach. We did the black hardware upgrade. Look at that. You are going to have your spice rack here. We call this the coffee nook. Lots of storage for all of your belongings. More storage at the bottom. Look at these drawers. We also have the camera system on this coach, so you can see where you're going. You can see the door, the left, the right, and the rear. Over here, we do have more storage. That Richelieu pull-out. Cabinet for pots and pans. We do residential appliances in our coaches. So your microwave is going to have an air fryer convection, and this is the 24-inch residential. Over to the fridge, we have the ice and water. Very large. Plenty of space. So here's one of my favorite features in the coaches that we do. It's going to be the secret storage. You can use it as a pantry. We can put a safe back there. And you don't even know. We do have the TV in the fireplace. This fireplace puts off a lot of heat. This couch here reclines both sides. I also have recliners over here. You can make it 3 seats, or you have your cup holders with your drawer for storage. Put your remotes here because I know mine are always lost. Coming into the dining area, we do have the buffet table. You are able to pull it out. I do have a leaf and 2 extra chairs to match. Up through the hallway, we have a very large linen closet right in the door. You can hang your hats, you can put your shoes, and then down at the bottom is going to be your residential fuse box. Next, I have your in command, your Truma on-demand hot water, the inverter, and this coach has the sea level monitoring on it. Coming up to the bathroom. Large bathroom for this coach. We do have the corner shower, lots of shower heads. We do have the foot pedal toilet. I am able to put a macerator in. Sink. I also really like this feature. If you don't have enough room, you have the flip up countertop. It just gives you so much more in the bathroom. Bathroom storage. Those shelves are adjustable. Onto the bedroom. My Elegante comes standard with a queen size bed. It gives you more walk around space with the nightstands. On the other side of that, I do have the very large walk-in closet. This coach does have the shoe racks. Next to that is going to be the washer and dryer prep. If you chose to do a washer and dryer, this is where that would go. In the bedroom, I do have more storage. Do have a TV and drawers. All of my drawers are going to be dovetail front and back, solid hardwood. Same thing with the doors in your coach. Beautiful. All right, let's head outside. We're going to start at the front of your coach with the More Ride pin box. In the pass-through, we have the generator prep. You can also see the hydraulic bottle for our equalizer leveling system. Our feet are going to be bigger and beefier. On the outside of this coach, you're going to see the beautiful paint job. No decals, no logos anywhere. We are going to have 2 30-pound propane tanks. We are going to do 1 on each side to maximize your capacity inside. The pass-through bay. One thing I always will point out is how nice and neat it is on the inside. Look at those wires. You do have your outside radio, jamming at the campground. Step above entry stair makes that top step a lot wider so you're not feeling like you're falling. We do have the More Ride T-Safe rail. It comes all the way to the bottom. You don't have to step up to grab the handle. You're going to have your large outside entertainment. Heading to the back of the coach. Extra storage. And you also have a plug back here. Steel bumper, ladder on the rear. On this side, you are gonna have your power cord reel, so you're not lugging that hose around. This here is access to the reefer, and up there is the vent for the microwave. Here we have the Truma on-demand hot water heater and your Dometic furnace, and the wet bay, all of your plugs and pulls. On this side, you can see that we have the Arctic package and a water filtration system, your second 30-pound propane tank, and your levelizer controls will be located here. Thank you. If you have any questions, please reach out to your factory representative, 574-848-2729. Bye.